the impulse response h of t of a linear time invariant system. It is given linear time invariant. H of t is equals to e power minus 2t into u of t, where u of t is a step function. First question is the frequency response h of omega of this system in terms of angular frequency omega is given by option A 1 by 1 plus j2 omega, option B sin omega by omega, option C 1 by 2 plus j omega, and option D j omega divided by 2 plus j omega. The second question is the output of the system to the sinusoidal input x of t is equals to 2 into cos 2t for all time t is option A 0, option B 2 to the power of minus 0.25 into cos 2t minus 0.125 pi, option C 2 to the power of minus 0.5 into cos 2t minus 0.125 pi, and option D 2 to the power of minus 0.5 into cos of 2t minus 0.25 pi. Now let us consider an LTI system. For an LTI system, if an input of the form e power omega t is given, the output can be written as e power omega t multiplied by a factor called h of omega. This h of omega is nothing but the frequency response of this LTI system, that is the transfer function of the impulse response. It is given that the continuous time system is given by this h of t, that is impulse response, e power minus 2t into u of t. To find the frequency response, we have to take the Fourier transform. We know that the Fourier transform of e power minus 2t is 1 by j omega plus 2. So from the given options, the right answer will be option C, 1 by 2 plus j omega. Now, as far as the input, the second question is considered, the input is 2 into cos 2t. We have seen that for input of e power omega t, the output will be of this type. We also know that we can represent any function cos at as e power at plus e power minus at divided by 2. That is, a sinusoidal function is a linear function of exponential terms. So the output of this function can also be of this form. The given input is 2 into cos 2t. Okay, and the transfer function is this one. So the output we can write it as this transfer function 1 by j omega plus 2 multiplied by this input, that is 2 into cos 2t. This we can represent it in amplitude and angle. The amplitude will be 1 by root of 2 square is 4 plus, here we have to substitute omega as 2 because the frequency of the given signal is 2, that is omega is equals to 2. So omega square will be 4 multiplied by 2 into cos of, the angle will be 2t minus of, I am writing minus because we are having this in denominator, minus tan inverse of, we have omega part is 2 and here we have 2, that is 2 by 2 is 1, that is tan inverse of 1. This is the output. Now this is 2 divided by root 8. We can write it as 2 divided by 2 root 2 into cos of 2t minus tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We can write it as 2 power minus 0.5 into cos of 2t minus 1 by 4 is 0.25, that is 0.25 into pi. So from the given options, the right answer will be option D.